In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and share a Google Doc. A Google Doc is a Google document, so ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, we'll be logged into our Chrome browser, right? So what you need to do, you need to click on these dotted icons, click on it, wait for it to open, scroll down, click on this Google Docs. Once you have clicked on this Google Docs, it will be displayed with various options, right? To start a new document, the blank document, the letter, the proposal, the brochure, and the report. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this blank document right here because we want to create a new Google document, right? That is a Google Doc. So once you have created this, you can see you just created your own document. And if you love to share this document to your friends, to your family, to anyone you want to share it, what you need to do, you need to click on this share, right? You need to click on this share. Name before sharing document. I can come on here and name this how to edu, right? So before you share, you need to change the name of the document. So I can come on here and name it how to edu. I'll delete this. Yeah. So I'll save this. So you can see I just saved this document and I was given some options here for you to see. You can either share it to people through their email or you can give it a general access. So I can come on here and select anyone with the link can see this document or it can be restricted. So if I want to share the link, I will copy this right here. So I just copy the link, and if I paste it here, you see that. Okay, if I paste the link right here, you see that I just copy the link to this document, right? So this is basically how you can create and share a Google document. So I'm going to come again. I'm going to come again for some reasons. So you'd click on this, you'd scroll down, wait for it to load. You'd scroll down, click on this Google Docs right here. So I'm going to redo it again. Click on this blank document, click on it. Once I've clicked on it, wait for it to load. Then you can come on here and type anything you want to type. I can say how to do, right? So this is basically just a test video. So I just created this document and I'm going to show you how you can share it. So once you have typed in something in this blank document page, you would click on this share. You can see the copy link, right? You click on this share, you can see the copy link. Then you can still come on here and select the people you want to see it. So this document is saved already. So you can come on here and copy the link, or you can add it to people you want to add it to, right? So it's very easy. Click on this copy link. I've copied it. You can come on here and paste it. You can come on here and paste it. Ctrl V. So this is the link to this Google document. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.